it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Yes, you'll be in my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart always. Why can't they understand the way we feel? They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. You'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Don't listen to them, 'cause what do they know? We need each other to have and to hold. They'll see in time, I know. When destiny calls you, you must be strong. I may not be with you, but you got to hold on. They'll see in time, I know. Show them together, 'cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You'll be in my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart.
So hi, happy birthday girl. I hope this special day brings you all the joy and happiness you deserve. May all your wishes come true and always remember you are truly amazing in every way. Keep shining, stay true to yourself and enjoy every moment of this exciting new chapter of your life. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Yuen. Ingat ka palagi. I love you.
Ganda! Parang si Ann Curtis. Mali yun. So, ayun. Ito effort ko. Naglagay akong flowers dyan. Kasi alam ko marami kang friends na babati sa'yo na magaganda. Pero dapat maganda rin ako dyan. Ay. So, ayun. Happy birthday, girl. So, 18 ka na. Legal age na. Pwede nang makulong. At makukulong. Mali. So, ayun. Pag napanood mo tong greetings na to, pwedeng nandyan ako o wala. Pero I just want you to know that I am so proud for the woman you've become. Panis. English. Pero ayun nga, I am rooting for you to be successful in the near future and ipagpatuloy lang pagiging responsible ate mo sa mga kapatid mo and also pagiging grateful sa mga blessings na binibigay sa atin ni God. Always pray for guidance and ingat palagi. Stay humble and pretty. Love you!
Happy 18th birthday, you! And, oh my God! Ang bilis ng panahon. Parang dati lang ay nag-ano tayo, pinagbabalot tayo ng lumpia, ng cheese stick, Tapos pagin pa natin kinakain yung cheese, kaya imbis kumita tayo, nalugi tayo. Sobrang thankful ko kasi nakilala kita and your family. At maraming salamat dahil tinuring nyo akong hindi lang kaibigan kundi pamilya na din. At miss na miss ko na kayo sobra. Sana makabandi ko ulit kayo at makasama. Ang wish ko sa iyo ay good health and sana lahat na mithiin mo sa buhay ay makamit mo. Wish you all the best because you deserve it. Good luck sa college. I think college ka na yata. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Basta lagi mo tandaan, nandito si Ate Jaja for you. And I love you so much. Enjoy your day! Happy 18th birthday! Mwah!
Happy 18th birthday, Yuen! Wish namin sa'yo, sana lagi kang magpapakabait. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Palagi kang mag-iingat saan ka mapunta.
Amang mama!
Hi Yuen, happy birthday to you. I hope na naalala mo pa ako. I'm your former advisor in St. Louis Ann Montessori. I know na isa ka sa pinakamabait at responsible na students na na-handle ko before. And now you've turned 18. I really can't imagine na how far you've been through. And welcome to adulthood. Yeah, always be humble, Yuen. And pagsumikapan mo pa ang iyong pag-aaral sa buhay para marating mo ang iyong pangarap so that you will be able to help your parents back. And once again and finally, happy birthday. May your 18th year be filled with amazing adventures. Thank you so much. Happy birthday.
Hello, Yuen. I'm very grateful and thankful kasi naalala ko ng mami mo para magbigay ng video message sa birthday mo. So, for you, Yuen, happy birthday. I still remember during that time na estudyante kita. You're so thoughtful kasama ng mga friends mo, di ba? Every day, may surprises kayo sa akin. Every day. That's why hindi ko kayo malilimutan ng mga friends mo. Thank you so much for those days na na-share nyo sa akin during those time na nagtuturo pa ako. Kasi, nag-retire na ako. I'm retired. Hindi na ako nagtuturo. But then, hindi ko kayo malilimutan, lalo na yung batch ninyo dahil kayo yung pinaka-thoughtful everyday. Meron kayong mga surprise sa akin. So, very unforgettable kayong lahat. So, thank you so much. And I'm hoping and I'm wishing on your birthday na sana maging successful ka sa life mo. Para naman, matikman mo yung mas masarap na life. Diba? So, pagbutihin mo yung pag-aaral mo, anak. And then, love your family. Especially yung parents mo, tsaka yung mga kapatid mo. Okay? Nakikita ko naman na may maganda kang future kasi very supportive ang mama mo. So, once again, happy birthday, you, and love you.
Yo, ako nga pala si J. King. At yun, gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday si Yuen. Yun, Yuen, happy birthday sa'yo. At sana'y marami pang kaarawan sa'yo ang dumating. Magpakabuti kang bata, lalo sa magulang mo. At yun, God bless at more birthday to come sa'yo. At syempre, shoutout din sa Tanggeras. Yun, mag-iingat kayo palagi dyan. Ano pa hinihintay? Tagay na!
Anak, happy 18th birthday. Pasensya ka na, hindi ako makauwi. Napag-aaral ko lang mabuti. Enjoy mo lang buhay mo. Ako nang bahala. Lagi ka lang nalangin. Kung kaya mo yan, marami ka pa pagdadaanan. Love you, anak.